I hope I'll make you happy with everything I take.
Very busy now also. Let me wish you a very happy and a rocking birthday. Now that I've wished you, I'm asking you for a treat that you have promised me in Bhubaneswar. Till now you have not given us a treat. So, don't ask me to come to Bangalore to give a treat. Come down to Chennai. Sorry, I wanted to tell you a lot, so I have written it up, so I'm looking and telling you now.
Yeah, please look. Preeti, come.
I've sent my love.
You fast சொல்றத நான் காமிக்க வேண்டாம்.
See?
Okay, இன்னும் பக்கத்துல.
I've sent my love and affection through the video. Happy to be your friend and miss you a lot. You have completed 22 years. So, just wait for another 2 years. You can get married then. Minimum 2 years. Then I'll tell you now something which can never be told later. You're so sweet and very caring, though you try to prove otherwise. And the other thing I want to tell you is, ambitious. You're very ambitious. May God be with all your endeavors and may all your wishes come true. And another thing is, I know you're a very good observer, but sometimes try to don't take it to a very big extent, because sometimes it makes it wrong. You feel that Shweta is weird, but I really don't think so. In that you're wrong. And tell me who told me to say this? Shweta. Don't mistake me. I was just joking. Then come down to Chennai, please, and come down to my house. You are always invited. And please make the Goa trip come true. And we'll come and meet you in Bangalore.
Then he will give you a treat, Preeti.
When he will give me a treat. That's all. The next person who is going to speak to you. Bye. Have a nice time in Bangalore. Happy birthday.
हेलो राजीव जन्मदिन शुभाशय नहीं बड़ी उसका वो नहीं है कुछ उसकी लिमिट नहीं है कि टाइम लिमिट एक बंदे को हम पूरी
हाय किंगू जन्मदिನದ ಹಾರ್ದಿಕ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು डोंट फॉरगेट टू गिव मी a treat
excuse me okay hi Rajiv wait cool. See that cool okay zoom back up to the face here okay yeah Rajiv Arasu the biggest Metallica fan I know have a fabulous birthday here's to a lot of health wealth and happiness and to Gigi who's talking to his girlfriend right now let's see what he has to say Gigi hey Rajiv Kingu show your ID card शुभाशय करू अंग्रेजी में बता नहीं उसको क्या बोलते हैं कन्नड़ में ओके जन्मदिन हार्दिक शुभाशय गडू I said it हाँ जन्मदिन हार्दिक शुभाशय हैप्पी बर्थडे टू राजीव टू किंग
self sufficient Mr. self sufficient
now act Mr. self sufficient yeah Mr. self sufficient
hi Rajiv wish you a happy birthday
from all the Makra team the Makra gang a very happy birthday to Rakesh
trustworthy guy. Continue to be the same, and I know you're very sensible, practical. I'm so happy Shweta found a nice friend like you, and Have a blast today. Have a wonderful day. Okay?
Well, I am honestly telling you, I never thought about this idea, and you know me better. You have to thank the girls from Chennai. Okay, they are the ones who planned this. I'm wishing you a very, very happy birthday. Okay, take care. God bless you. And I am not the person who actually did it. Happy birthday again.
Hi Rajiv, happy birthday. I don't know even if you remember the bet we had few days back. I said I'll be the first person to wish you on your birthday, but I seriously doubt even if you'd attend my call on your birthday. So I thought, okay, this will be a better option, wishing you this way. Happy birthday again. I don't know what to tell you, especially on your birthday. Take care. You're a nice friend. You've been very good to me all these while. Be the same. We like you the way you are. That's it. Happy birthday again. Have a memorable birthday.